Hello, old friends. So nice to lend my eyes a glimpse of you again. From noon to 10 past 2 for tea and 3 for you. The brew, stewing and steeping, silently sleeping deeply in your sweetly decorated, handmade and painted, Rayomon's the greatest mug, filled with lightly sparkling, natural, artesian water, tapped from underground, where one had found the aquifer of chocolate fur Easter bunnies, milk and honey, feasts of hungry hippos, and elbows and bow ties and tsetse flies, humming and buzzing on the home of rowing, loaming, foaming, roaming, wild boars tamed into a lame duck, free fuck orgy. Which bores me, because who hasn't seen it all already? You have, and I know you have. You must have had a time or two where me and you sat side by side and eye to eye, unwinding the tension of a clock spring, unraveling through the sky, like a Boeing or Concorde, a DeLorean used Ford, a freight train on wings smothered in barbecue sauce with blue cheese and celery. But who wants the vegetable testicles of a flower budding and pollinating the politics of a postmodern, post-industrial, parcel post package packed with letters from your advisors you asked so kindly for, and all the wiser you are by far for knowing who, what, when, where, and why the sky changes on sunset and sunrise before the eyes opened in time to see the sights unseen under the eyelids of the islands we call continents. But maybe we're getting in over our heads. I mean, it's late. I'm pretty tired. Thanks for coming. Your tickets are non-refundable.